There is no doubt that Germany desperately needs skilled workers. You can name it: engineers, plumbers, locomotive pilots, truck drivers, nurses, electricians. There is a whole bunch of professions which is running on shortage in Germany. Now the question is, are you interested to move to Germany? Are you interested to take advantage of this opportunity? Do you know enough about which visa you should apply for and how to apply for the same? If not, then you are at the right place. This channel talks about latest updates on immigration. I keep posting videos about how to find relevant jobs, how to apply for visa, and I also post latest events and news that is helpful for you if you are planning to move here in Germany or even in Europe. Make sure to click the subscribe button now. Starting this November 2023, Germany is rolling out new rules to make it easier for skilled workers from outside of the European region like India to work here. This change was given the thumbs up in the month of July, and it's gonna happen in 3 parts. First in the month of November 2023, then in March 2024, and finally in the June 2024. So before I tell you about new companies that are sponsoring visa in Germany, let me quickly tell you about those new reforms in the immigration law. I think it is important for you to know about those immigration changes so that you can plan your move accordingly. If not, and if you want to directly jump to the job opportunity section, then you can use the timeline below. So what is this new law all about? The new law is focused on increasing the number of workers from outside of the Europe coming to Germany by around 65,000 per year. And the way to do this is by making the immigration process easier. And hence there are a number of measures that are taken by the government. So let me quickly summarize them. Number 1, a new point-based immigration law. In the future, non-European migrants will be able to come to Germany to look for a work under the new scheme called Opportunity Card. Or in German it is also called as Chancenkarte. At the moment you can only get a working visa if you have a job offer in Germany. But in the future, the Opportunity Card will allow people to come to Germany for up to 1 year to look for a job as long as they fulfill certain criteria, which is based on age, work experience, language skills, for which they will be given some points. I guess you might have heard about those point-based system in Australia or Canada. It is kind of similar. To find out if you are eligible for this new Opportunity Card scheme, simply click on this calculator link, answer a few questions, and it will determine if you qualify for the point-based system. I will also add the link in the description. Number 2, loosening blue card rules. Many skilled workers in Germany are blue card holders. It is very popular route for workers from non-European countries wanting to work in Germany. The German government wants to make it easier to come to Germany with a blue card by lowering the amount of money that you have to earn to be eligible. Well, getting a blue card will also be easier for the people in the IT sector, for example, programmers or software developers who don't have degree, because the career experience or the skills can be accepted for the blue card without university degree. Number 3, changing rules for the international students. The rules around working as a student will be relaxed, so in future, international students will have more opportunities to earn money while studying. Number 4, recognizing foreign qualification. Getting your official certificates recognized in Germany can be a real headache, you know that, right? But in near future, the government wants to get rid of this formal requirement for people with a high potential or who have a lot of experience, which means if the employment meets certain requirement, their qualification will be accepted as it is. For example, if you are a coder, programmer or software developer, but if you do not have degree certificate but you have a hands-on experience, then you can still apply for the blue card. Although the law has already passed through the German parliament, it still has to go through the Bundesrat. Bundesrat is a federal council. It's basically a legislative body that represents the 16 states. Current estimations are that the law will come into the force by end of this year or early next year. Alright, let's move ahead, and now I will share 10 new companies in Germany that offers visa sponsorship or relocation as of the date that this video is recorded. First company in the list is Kaufland e-commerce. Well, you might know that Kaufland is a German hypermarket chain which is a part of a Schwarz group that also owns Lidl. So it's kind of a big supermarket chain. First, I was also shocked by seeing that they are offering relocation support, but as you can see here, they have mentioned that already. Well, before moving to the second company in the list, I want to let you know that I post 2 videos every week with such information, and I post such job opportunities on my Instagram channel as well. So don't forget to subscribe and follow on my Instagram. Here is my ID. Alright, moving ahead, second company in the list is Container Exchange. Container Exchange is a leading tech company providing a state-of-the-art online platform for container logistics and operations. Third company in the list is Personio. Well, Personio offers remote roles. As you can see in the description, they says all our roles are available fully remote or hybrid inside all our 5 European countries, which is Germany, Spain, Ireland, Netherlands, UK, and more recently in the US. So you can check their career portal as well. Then there are 4 small scale companies which does not explicitly mention whether they offer visa sponsorship or not. At least I did not find anything on their LinkedIn job description. So I think it is worth to check those companies as they are not mentioning that they will not support visa sponsorship. Next company in the list is Tourlane. Tourlane works in the travel domain and I have seen variety of opportunities on their career portal. So I think it's also worth to check their career site. Another company is HelloFresh. I guess I have talked about HelloFresh long back, but these days they are actively hiring, so you can check the LinkedIn job or directly on their career website. Furthermore, if you are from India, it is also worth to check any of your known connection who is working in this company, because many Indians work here in the HelloFresh and there is a high chance that you will get some referrals. Then there is this company called S3. They offer hybrid job opportunity and their recruitment process is really good, as they say you can write to the HR on the LinkedIn. So it is worth to give a try. Alright, those were a few of the companies from Germany who offers either visa sponsorship or relocation support or opportunity to connect and talk with them. I'm sure that you will find your way from here. If you need further assistance on how to find a job, how to build appropriate CV, or how to approach to the HR, then you can connect with me via LinkedIn, or you can even book a one-on-one session with me via this website. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye bye.